Today we will be talking about how to set up MyEtherWallet. This was recommended by someone in the comment section, and it's something that I should have made a video on in my kin video, which just got 1,000 views. Thank you everyone for getting that to 1,000 views, my first video to 1,000 views. Before we get started, please give this video a like, comment down below what you think about the video, and also subscribe for more crypto news and tutorials. Let's get started. So we're over here at myetherwallet.com. Make sure, as they say, don't get phished. Make sure you're at the right URL address. Bookmark it. I don't bookmark it, but obviously it has the SSL and I'm on the right website. But you should definitely bookmark it. So we're going to first thing you have to do is enter a password. So make sure, obviously your password is very important. Write this down neatly, or even type it up and print it out so you don't write the wrong due to your handwriting. Maybe write it wrong or you can't read it. Sometimes I have that problem. I have somewhat sloppy handwriting, and then when I go back to look at something, is that a 1 or is it an L or is it capital, lowercase? I won't know, and then that creates a problem of all things with crypto. So right now I'm not going to be creating a second wallet. I already have one, and I don't want to download a second key store or UTC file, and I'll get those confused. So let's go through the process. We already went to step number 1 here, myetherwallet.com, entered your password and wrote it down. So then you hit the create new wallet button, which is right here. They're going to have you read a warning, so make sure you understand the warning. You have to really read through all that. Print your paper wallet backup or handwrite the private key. I would print it out, like I said, because that can be a problem in the road, down the road. Copy and paste your address into a text document, which is what I did. It's just your address, doesn't need to be super secure. And then you can search for it on the etherscan.io or actually on MyEtherWallet to check the balance. And then send a small amount. And obviously you can donate it to the website if you want. They actually that. So we're going to go back over here now, send ether and tokens. What I use to open is usually the private key. So you have to remember, you're not actually using this website. This website does not store your coins or tokens. It's the blockchain. Your coins are inside the network, not on this website. So this website can't help you at all if you lose any of this. They tell you this in the warning. And it says this is not a recommended way to access your wallet. On a website can be dangerous, and if this website gets compromised, they can actually steal your private key. Again, sometimes I take a risk. I actually do use this to open up the wallet, but I don't go on here every day. I'm a long-term hodler, so I don't go on here at all, really, only when I'm moving coins around, which is very rare. So what we will do is view address. I'm going to paste my address. I have no ether in here right now. I do have some tokens. I have my kin coin, as you can see. And then you can check all your other coins. I don't have any coins or tokens other than kin coin. So, you have your address here. You can't do anything though. If you want to send coins, you need to log in with your private key to unlock it. So this is a pretty good wallet to use. I would recommend it. Just you have to be careful with your passwords and your private key and all that. And basically, to receive coins, you would just take this address right here, your account address, and paste that in from where you're withdrawing on whatever exchange you're using for whatever token or coin you're using, and then just put that address in and you'll see it. You have to give it some time, but you'll see it on here, obviously. So I hope this video helped you. This was like I said, a viewer requested video. So here's the video, real quick, just explaining what to do. I am working on some other content that I will be putting out this week. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.